And welcome back, meteorologist Michael Del Sancho. It's gorgeous weather today if you like summer temperatures, which I do. We got into the 80s once again. So as we look around, these are the high temperatures. Germantown 84, a bunch of 82s from Frederick, Charlestown, Leesburg, Martinsburg 81, as well as Cumberland. A little bit cooler in Oakland at 70 degrees. So you ask, okay, well, where's the cooler temperatures? It is fall right now. We should have it. If you look up and down the East Coast, you can see 70s, 80s, and pretty close to 90 degrees as we head down to Florida. But out west, that's where the cool temperatures are. We've got 60 in Chicago, 50 Minneapolis, all the way out to 54 in Denver. So whatever's out west typically moves and goes east, which means that we're in for a little bit of a change coming up. So what we're watching right now is just a few clouds tonight, still staying warm because we're under that southerly influence. We're also going to have some more cloud cover, so we're going to continue to stay that way, but it's not until tomorrow. That's the real story. A cold front moving through the area. It's just going to bring some heavy winds with it and possible storms. And then on the backside, much cooler air, not cold, but cooler air and breezy conditions on Sunday. So taking a look at our radar right now, it's fairly clear around the area. We do have a couple of sprinkles in your higher elevations out in the panhandle of West Virginia, but for most of us, it's just going to be dry tonight with some clouds. Now, the story really comes into tomorrow morning. We look at our future tracker, head out west. You can see really early, 3, 4 o'clock in the morning, some showers start to move into the region, and then once they do, they're going to start making their way from west to east. So here we are pretty early, and you can see some of those showers working their way through, but it really doesn't engulf the entire area until about late morning. And as that cold front comes through, we're going to see at midday, that's where we can get some storms to fire up, especially closer towards the D.C. region or even central Maryland. And then later in the evening, around 5, 6 o'clock, that's going to be the tail end moving on out. But look at that on the back end. We've got some nice clearing skies once we go into tomorrow night, late around 9, 10 o'clock. And then Sunday morning, we're going to start off with mostly sunny skies. Now, because of this cold front and the cold air behind it, we've had so much warm air in front of it, we're looking at marginal risk. That's the area in that dark green color. And that's where we just want to watch out for potentially just some heavy winds or damaging winds up to about 30 miles per hour. As far as rain goes, we're not looking at a ton, anywhere from about 1/10 to 1/4 of an inch throughout the region. Our highest numbers really to the north and to the west. Cumberland could see about 1/4 of an inch or so. So over the next 7 days, that's really it. Saturday is our best chance of any rain. And then the rest of the week, nice and dry, just like it has been really for the last 2 weeks. So for tonight, looking at temperatures right around those mid 60 degrees. And then to plan out your day tomorrow, in the morning, we're in the upper 60s. Cloudy skies, have some of those showers moving in. If you're further west, they're going to start earlier for you. But for the majority of us, it's going to be in the afternoon time frame, some steady showers or some storms late. And then by 9 o'clock, you're looking at 54 degrees, and we start to clear out pretty well. Temperatures tomorrow, Hagerstown 73, Winchester 74, Petersburg 72. We've got Romney also at 72, 74 Myersville, 76 in Frederick, as well as Germantown, and 77 over in Rockville. Baltimore, D.C. area, we got Washington 79, Leesburg 76, Front Royal at 75 degrees. For a weekend, tale of two sides, we've got 76, gusty showers, and that front comes through. As we pan over and look at Sunday, our high is only going to be 63 degrees. Much cooler and breezy conditions. And then looking at our 7-day forecast, once we get through that transition day on Saturday, Sunday, cooler at 63, but then we slightly start to warm up, just slightly above average the rest of the week. Plenty of sunshine throughout. So it's going to be a gorgeous week. Time to get out and enjoy a little bit of that fall weather. Now for our local DVM.com event, we're looking at night golf. This is a Black Ridge Golf Course in Hagerstown, Maryland. This will be Friday, October 22nd, 5:30 p.m. until 9:30 p.m. Go ahead and call the number on your screen. I'm sure they'll be more than happy to answer any questions that you may have.